hit that hard like that. Freaking sea robin. Another sea robin. Oh shit, you motherfucker. A double head of sea robin. They didn't even let it drop, y'all. I guess something is better than nothing. I just felt dead weight as soon as it landed. That's a nice one, yeah. I know it gotta be a fluke down there somewhere. Gotta be another double sea robin probably, because I don't feel the head shakes at all. Oh, there we go. We got a fluke. There we go. Got a little baby fluke, what we came out here for. This is what I'm here for, y'all. But I want them to be bigger than this. But I knew I had to be one down here. Motherfucker. Oh. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Fuck. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. wrestle hooks on it, but you can cut it off if you have to. Watch the rod, watch the rod.
Cut it?
Yeah, go ahead, you can cut the rod. I'll make another one. Just want the bird to go away from you, that's it. You got,
clippers. Clippers right here. I think actually
that was it, right?
Yeah,
Take
you
the
lost your thing.
What, the grub?
No, not everything. I just got it retied.
Alright, so he has
no
now,
string
right?
on him at all.
Alright, so you're good to go now.
Yep.
Alright, let's back up from him. Yeah, you can hold it. I'm gonna back up from him. Watch the ride, watch the ride.
I got your rod.
Here.
Okay. Alright.
Free at last. I appreciate y'all.
I saw that.
That's a fish. That hit like I hope this will fluke. Oh, you mother freaker. He got off. He slacked the mess out of that line. Whatever it was probably another sea robin. Holy crap! Come on, y'all are right there. Holy crap, this is crazy. Oh, I wish I'd have had my longer rod. This is wow, yo. Oh, this can't be serious today. Can't reach him. Yo, this is freaking ridiculous. Oh. Little evening bite starting to pick up. gotta be another sea robin. Came back for it. Probably another sea robin. Definitely don't feel like a fluke. I gave it a shot. That's all I can say. It was ridiculous out there, and I mean, I just wish I could have caught an albie. Today was a sea robin party. That's all I was able to catch. I caught one decent fluke that was like maybe like 16 inches. Rest of the fluke that I caught was like babies, like maybe 12 inches. Yeah, I'm trying. You know, eventually I catch that keeper, and like I said, I believe in the last video, in the video description, I cannot wait to fall. Can't wait till the bass start rolling out front and I'm chasing them. So until then, I gotta keep chasing these albies. I'll be back out here maybe another day this week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, it's Salt Life all day, every day. Until next time.